Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to find your team code in Microsoft Teams. This code is essential when you want to invite new members to join your team quickly without sending individual invitations. Let's jump right into it. First things first, open your Microsoft Teams application and log into your account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials associated with the team you want to manage. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main interface of Teams where all your conversations and collaborations take place. Now look over to the left side of your screen where you'll find the main navigation panel. Click on Chat. This section is where you typically manage your conversations, but it also serves as a gateway to your team management options. Clicking here will help you navigate to the deeper settings we need to access. After clicking on Chat, you'll notice an option that says Teams and Channels. Go ahead and click on that. This will bring up a list of all the teams you're currently part of or managing. It's basically your control center for viewing and organizing your various team spaces within Microsoft Teams. Next, find the specific team for which you want to generate or view the team code. Once you've located it, click on the three dots beside the team name. This will open a drop-down menu with several management options. From this menu, select Manage Team. This step takes you into the administrative side of your team where you can control various settings and permissions. Once you're in the team management area, direct your attention to the top of the screen. You'll see several tabs there. Click on Settings. This tab houses all the configuration options for your team, including privacy settings, member permissions, and other important features that define how your team operates. Within the Settings tab, look for an option labeled Team Code and click on it. This is where Microsoft Teams allows you to create a unique code that others can use to join your team directly. It's a convenient feature that simplifies the onboarding process for new team members. Finally, you'll see a button that says Generate. Click on Generate and Microsoft Teams will create a unique code for your team. This code will be displayed on your screen immediately. You can then share this code with anyone you want to invite to your team, and they'll be able to join simply by entering it. And there you have it. You've successfully found and generated your team code in Microsoft Teams. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.